Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken broth with Maggi cubes. First, gather your ingredients: Maggi chicken bouillon cubes, water, and a suitable pot. For a standard broth, a good ratio is 2 Maggi cubes for every 4 cups of water, ensuring a rich and savory base. You can also add optional aromatics, such as a quarter of an onion or a clove of garlic, to deepen the flavor profile of your broth. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious result. Now let's get cooking. Begin by pouring your measured water into the pot and bringing it to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once the water is vigorously boiling, carefully add the Maggi chicken bouillon cubes. Stir continuously until the cubes are completely dissolved, ensuring an even distribution of flavor throughout the liquid. Reduce the heat to low and let the broth simmer gently for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. To achieve the best chicken broth, consider these helpful tips. You can easily adjust the number of Maggi cubes to suit your preference for a stronger or milder flavor. For an aromatic boost, try adding fresh herbs such as a sprig of parsley or a few thyme leaves during the simmering process. After simmering, if you prefer a perfectly clear and smooth broth, simply strain it through a fine mesh sieve before using. These small steps make a big difference. Once your delicious chicken broth is ready, proper storage is key to maintaining its freshness. Always allow the broth to cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to a storage container. You can then store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or freeze it for longer preservation. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. This ensures you always have homemade broth ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.